Tired of your Aisensy messages grinding to a halt? Let's power them back up. Here's how to recharge your Aisensy account in just a few taps. First, unlock your phone and tap on the Aisensy App icon to open it. Once you're on the home screen, look for the recharge button. It's usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, or within the account settings. Tap on it to proceed. Now you'll see a selection of recharge amounts to choose from. You can select a predefined amount like $10, $20, or $50, or, if you need a specific amount, look for an option to enter a custom value. After selecting an amount, you need to choose your preferred payment method. Aisensy typically supports credit cards, debit cards, and other online payment platforms. Depending on the payment method you chose, you'll be redirected to a secure payment gateway. If you're using a credit card, carefully enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Ensure all details are correct before proceeding. If you're using PayPal, you will be redirected to the PayPal website to log in and authorize the payment. Once the payment is processed successfully, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. This message will typically show the recharge amount and your updated account balance. You can now return to the main Aisensy app screen and start messaging your customers without any interruptions. Keep an eye on your balance so you never miss another message.